Welcome to episode 2 of Roasting Twitter Accounts. Today we're roasting Nirmal's page, his social media account. And first of all, on a first glimpse, it seems pretty good. Okay, there's a few things immediately that I can't see. The first thing I would do is, you have a nice professional profile picture, but your branding on the background here on the banner looks really nice. So that red and black and white theme. So what I would actually do, I would go crazy with it. I would get a red shirt on, take a new picture, remove the background of the picture, use remove.bg for that, remove.bg, download that image where it's remove the background, it just has you wearing the red shirt, and then, or actually maybe stick with a black shirt, and then bring that image to Canva and put a red background, this red background on that image. So you have that red and black theme, the black shirt, the red background, or else the red shirt and the black background. So that's something I'd recommend doing. That'll help your branding so much. It'll help you stand out, make it look more professional immediately. Thanks for following me. Appreciate the support. Like a professional here, have to say. Nirmal, Google Maps SEO. This is too small. It's very difficult to read. It's a little bit blurry as well. It's quite very blurry, to be honest. I'm not sure why. On Canva, if you do this on Canva, the quality should improve quite a bit. I help roofing contractors to dominate your rank on Google Maps in the next 90 days. Okay, fine. This is perfect. However, tell them then, get rid of this personal services thing. Get rid of that category. Change your location to book a free call here. Book a free call here as your location, and get rid of the Facebook link. Okay, have it to a Calendly, have it to a landing page, somewhere where they can actually get on a call with you, book a call. That's going to be really important. Okay, unfollow the pages that are that are irrelevant to business. Get rid of them. Just unfollow them. It's pointless following this many people. From there, then immediately you're promoting. Don't use hashtags in any of your tweets. By the way, it's not going to help you. You're promoting everyone else. Okay, you have tweets on your own, but you're promoting other people way too much. It's distracting from your offer, from what you want to sell. So get rid of that. Stop retweeting a lot of accounts. Unretweet more recent ones, maybe back to here, let's say, and start posting again. So you've posted video here, brilliant. Post more videos, really good. I have to say, you look like a right professional. This is really nice. This is really good. You know the way he's doing this? You should be doing this. You should be posting these giveaways. Create lead magnets. Create giveaways. You shouldn't be entering them. As little as possible, enter them. And when you do enter them, unretweet them after a few hours. Okay, so start posting more content. You need a lot more tips, tricks, actionable advice. You take a picture of you in the trenches, you're working hard. Showcase what you can do for clients. Get some clients for either low ticket or free in the beginning. Get testimonials and go from there, man. So you have a lot of opportunity here. I can see a lot of potential. So let's push forward with this and let's work hard, man. Best of luck.